For the icp6 problem 1, I have changed the dataset to fashion dataset, and I've changed the filter sizes from to 1636 and final layer as 128. First, I'm doing it with the gradient descent optimizer. I'm saving this and running. So for the gradient descent optimizer, we have seen the test accuracy as 0.118 for 500 iterations. Now I have changed to Adams optimizer and running the file. I want to compare the results of gradient descent optimizer and Adam optimizer. Here I have not changed the hyperparameters, that is the same filter size and final layer. And for the 500 iterations, I want to compare it to optimizer. So we can see that the accuracy is 89% and time for coordinate as 199427 for 500 iterations. So we can see that the accuracy of the model is high in case of Adams optimizer. For the task 2, we are supposed to change the filter sizes as 16 and 36, which I have changed here, and use the final layer as 128, and test with different optimizers like Adams optimizers and gradient descent optimizer. So first I'm using Adams optimizer and running the model. So we can see that the accuracy is 90% and time for building coordinate is 60646 for 500 iterations. Now with the same hyperparameters, we have to compare it with the gradient descent optimizers and train the model and test the model. So I have changed it and running the file. I'm running this model and compare both the results. So now we can see that the test 0.0914, which is 9.1%, and time for building coordinate is 69718 in case of gradient descent optimizers for 500 iterations. So Adams optimizer, which was 90%, so it's the model accuracy is very low for the gradient descent optimizer. Coming to the tensor board graphs, this is the main graph, and these are the scalars, logs, distribution. These are the histograms.